What's going on, everyone? Here's the brand new iPhone Pro Max. I received this phone on Friday. Finally today I have time to do an unboxing video for it. So let's get started. Let's take a peek around the box, see what we have here. Okay, you got the Apple logo, iPhone wording, Apple logo, iPhone wording, and this is the silver color iPhone Pro Max 256 gigabyte model. The iPhone Pro Max come in 4 colors: gold, silver, space gray, and midnight green. So let's open the box and check it out. Okay, let's go. That's pretty easy. Alright everyone, here we go. The brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max, silver color. Let's put the phone aside for now. Let's see what else inside the box. We got some paperwork here. Apple sticker. We have the SIM tray ejector tool. Some safety guide, and this is the welcome booklet. Finally, they include a better wall charging adapter. This is the 18 watts wall charging adapter with the USB Type-C port. I guess the cable will be a USB Type-C charging cable on there too. So let's see what the cable is. And we have the earpods, lightning connector earpod. It's the same from the last year one and the one before that. Put that aside, and here's the charging cable. Yep, it is the USB Type-C and the lightning connector to go to the phone. Yeah, they still use the lightning connector for the actual phone. I don't know why they just go with USB Type-C all the way, but I guess it's Apple. Wow, this is nice. Around the phone, the frame is all stainless steel, and you have this textured matte finish in the back where no fingerprints. Yep, my hand is all over the back and I don't see any fingerprints. Check that out. That's awesome. All right, let's take a look at the screen. Wow, that's nice. The phone is about 7.97 ounce. And we have here on the bottom, you get the speaker and the lightning charging port. On the left hand side, the up and down volume button. And this is the iPhone ring silent switch. There's nothing on the top. And on the right, you have the power button right here. This is a Super Retina XDR 6.5 inch all-screen OLED multi-touch display, 2688 by 1242 pixel resolution at 458 ppi, 800 nits max brightness, 1200 nits max brightness with HDR, and the phone is IP68 water resistant, max depth of up to 4 meters for up to 30 minutes. That's pretty awesome. And the chipset is the brand new A13 Bionic chip, 3rd generation neural engine. Man, this phone is awesome. Very nice. We have a 3,969 milliamp battery, and it charged up pretty quick. It charged up to 50% in half an hour. That's a lot faster than the previous phone, so that's awesome. So the glass on iPhone Pro Max, Apple claim it's the toughest glass in a smartphone. And in the back here, we have the all new triple system camera. On the bottom left, you have the telephoto camera, 52mm focal length and 2.0 aperture, 2x optical zoom. The one on the top here, it's a wide angle camera, 26mm focal length and 1.8 aperture. And on the right, this one's an ultra wide camera, 13mm focal length, 2.4 aperture, 120-degree field of view for taking like landscape photos. Okay, let's power the phone up and check out the display. There we go, Apple logo. Wow, it's gonna take a while. SIM card required. I'm not gonna put in the SIM card right now, but I will have a full review video for the iPhone Pro Max in the upcoming videos. So guys, if you have any questions, any comment, drop it down below. Let me know what you think of this brand new iPhone Pro Max with the triple camera system. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos update and click the bell button to get new video notification. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.